start. So this is the first job opening that we have, which is Security Tech. Security Tech is hiring for a lot of people. So कुछ भी है भाई, कुछ भी है. If you know anything in cybersecurity, just drop your resume. You might get hired, right? So they are hiring for a lot of things. This is the mail ID career@securetech.com. Okay, so right now they are looking for 24 positions, which is currently open for the service, malware research, product development, okay, and SOC, sales and marketing. Okay, so SOC is there. Okay, malware research and services might be the cybersecurity. So you might join this thing. So it's in March, right now March is ongoing. So just apply accordingly. Okay, and be there, right? So now next opening is in New Fold Digital. They are hiring for application security engineer, information security engineer, network engineer, and security engineer. This is the mail ID. Okay, visaya.cherukri1@newfold.com. भाई मेल तो सही डाल दे भाई. Okay, so this we have. So this is kind of fresher's job. Okay, you can apply if you are fresher. Fresher doesn't mean I can repeat. It doesn't mean ki you should have experience of. You should not have any experience. Okay, you should have experience, right? And minimum of 6 months. Then you will be considered as a fresher. कुछ आता है तो अप्लाई मत करो भाई, पढ़ो सीखो, इंटर्नशिप करो, then right. We have covered new fold. Next in Dubai, again, your favorite place, Dubai cybersecurity. They are paying a lot of monies, right? If you want to get something, if you get some good salary, then they're going to pay you a very lot, right? So why chooses global reach, human connection, cutting edge AI? Okay, so human is connection. We also have, we are connected dil se dil tak. ATG, the company name is the Human Intelligence. Okay, they are hiring for cybersecurity analyst, senior cybersecurity analyst, cybersecurity manager, custom access manager, net security engineer, network and security officer. That's what they are hiring for. Company name is atgahi.com. Right, this is the company name, and New York City is the place where you need to work. Okay, so it's in Dubai based job as well. So the New York is the main location of this company, right? If you want to apply, just go on this URL, go on career section, you will get a job there. Now next one please. So Crimton Private Limited, they are hiring for interns for cybersecurity R&D intern, cybersecurity forensics intern. This is mail ID hr@crimton.com. So apply accordingly, you might get hired, right? Next is Forward Defense. They are hiring for cybersecurity engineer. The mail ID is dreas@forwarddefense.com. So just to apply if you want to work as a cybersecurity engineer, might be for freshers. Okay, so let's have minimum 6 months of experience, then apply, right? Next is someone is hiring for security analyst. This is again entry level job. Blightwood SC. I don't know यार कौन सा country है. Blightwood Hollywood तो सुना है, but I don't know what is Blightwood SC. Okay, so just do check. Okay, security analyst, which means you should have basic knowledge of web application, basic knowledge of pen testing, right? How the architecture works, cybersecurity, all those things. So just do, this is the mail ID, recruiting@ icapsolutions.net, right? So let's see. Next one is looking for cybersecurity intern, those who can join their IT team. Okay, so they should have hands-on experience on mitigating the cybersecurity threats while learning from threat intelligence. Okay, this job is about threat intelligence. Okay, and this is for those who have strong analytical skills, develop expertise in information security. So threat intelligence का knowledge, if you have how to mitigate the threats, how to detect response, do neelam.amin@beacon.vih. Next opening is for L1 L2 freshers. Is L1 6 month experience, 1 2 months years of experience. So someone is looking for SOC. Okay, most pop yeah, SOC analyst in SCL. Okay, SCL is a very good company. Okay, so if you have knowledge about Splunk, Microsoft Defender, Microsoft Sentinel with some sort of added plugin or something, then you can apply for this job role. Mail ID, yes, just authenticate this mail ID. I can't authenticate for this job because the mail ID is of Gmail and none of the SCL officials use Gmail, right? So just check accordingly. So just do share if you want. If you get selected, then HCL will going to contact you. So guys, that's all for today. I